Joy Sri Krishna tutorial discuss about latching and interlocking of three number of relay or contactor. At first we will discuss as control circuit, then we will discuss about power circuit. We will draw a control circuit here. This is 24 volt DC and this is stop push button or emergency push button switch NC type. This is start push button NO type and spring retardant. This is start push button 2 spring retardant NO type. Also this is start push button 3 spring type retardant. At first we will connect here, this is 24 volt, then we will connect here at NC push button switch common port, and then NC port will go to a start push button switch number 1 at common port, then it go NO port and then connect a relay to NC contact port, and then we will connect a relay 3 NC contact here, and then we will connect a relay A1 port and A2 will go to 0, and this is relay's contact port, that is NO, normal NO. This will be connected here, this port, and common port NO port will be connected here for latching operation. And similar way, start push button 2 will be connected here, and this is R2 NC and this is R3 NC, R3 and R1 NC, R1 and R3 NC will connect it here series, and then we will connect it A1 port of relay number 2 or contactor number 2, and A2 will be go to 0 volt, and this contactor normal open port will be connected here for latching operation, R2 or K2 here in this way. And that after that we will connect it to start push button switch here, common port NO port, and R1 NC and R2 NC, R1 and R2 both are in series connection, R1 NC, R2 NC. It may be contactor or relays. At first we have written here as R1 and R2, and this will be go on A1, and A2 will be connected here 0 volt. This is R3 or K3, and the R3 contact NO port will be connected here for latching operation. This power will be come here common port, and NO port will be connected here. Parallelly at the switch start push button 3, both are parallelly connected here, This is control circuit, and now we will connect a power circuit here. 230 volt AC supply and R1 or /K1 NO, that means that contactor NO port or relay NO port here, and connect to a load, anything that R1 load, light, buzzer, anything or any motor. Then we will connect R2 NO port here, 230 volt AC, and outgoing will be connected to R2 load, that means light or motor or any buzzer, any other thing, and neutral. And R3 port, R3 NO will be connected here 230 volt AC, and NO common port goes to R3 load, that means light, buzzer, motor, any other thing. Now we will discuss about how the function is working here. At first 24 volt DC will be come here, and this is NC port, emergency push button switch, that means the power will be here, 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 and power will be here. No other power will be in this line. Whenever we push the start push button switch spring retardant at a single time, it makes a contact here and goes the power in this relay to NC. This relay to NC is NC type, that means power will go here, and then will go R3 NC. This is relay 3 NC, then power will go here, and A1 port gets power, and A2 is 0 volt, that means AR relay will be energized, that means it will be work. And when the relay 1 is work, its contact port becomes NO, becomes NC, and NC becomes NO. Here NO becomes NC, and the power will be goes in this direction, and it was continuously on. That means the power circuit's power will be go here and makes the relay on, load on. That means light, motor, anything. Then we will stop the load R1 or K1. A push button pressing here, emergency push button switch here. If we press the start push button switch number 2, then will be load K2 will be close here, and load will be K2, R2 load will be close here. If we stop push button press here, then load will be off. If we press the start push button 3 here, then release, the load will be R3 load will be on. At first contactor K3 on and R3 load will be on. K3 or R3 load will be on. Whenever we press the stop push button switch, then R3 will be off. If we press the start push button switch on for loading R1 on and release, the R1 will be continuously load glow, and at the time if we press the start push button 2, relay 2 will be not glow because it was latching. At first start push button on latch the relay on, and this relay R1 NO becomes N2 and NC become NO. That means here R1 becomes NC will goes to NO condition. That means the power will be here, no forward power will be go in this direction because it change his state. When we stop the emergency push button pressed, then R1 will be off. That means load on will be off. At the time if I press the start push button here 2 for starting the load R1 and load R, starting the load R2 or K2 contactor on, the R2 will be on. At that time if we press start push button 1 and 3 or any other 3 or 1 or only 3 or only 1, then R1 and R3 will not get on because at first the relay 2 or contactor 2 was on. That means its contact port will be changed here. Its contact port becomes NO and its contact port becomes NO. That's why the R2 and R3 will not activate at that time. If we press the stop push button switch, then R2 will be deactivated. If we press start push button switch 3, then R3 will be activated, load 3 will be goes on. At that time if we press start push button 1 or 2 or 2 or 1 or simultaneously 1 and 2, then load R1 and R2 will be not glows because R3 contactor NC port becomes NO and here NC becomes NO. That's why the R1 and R2 will not glow here. This is interlocking circuit. Thank you for showing interest. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Thank you.